Hey, did you hear about the recent incident at the construction site? Apparently, they were using the wrong type of welding consumables, and it caused some serious issues.
No, I didn't hear about that. What happened?
Well, they were working on a critical structural component, and they used the wrong electrode classification for the job. It led to a weak weld that failed under stress, causing a partial collapse.
Whoa, that's scary. I didn't realize the classification of welding consumables was so important.
The classification system is crucial because it ensures that the right materials are used for the right applications. Different codes and specifications require specific types of electrodes, wires, or fluxes.
I see. So, how does this classification system work? What are the different categories?
The classification is based on various factors, such as the chemical composition, mechanical properties, and welding characteristics of the consumables. For example, electrodes are classified based on their tensile strength, ductility, and the positions they can be used for.
That makes sense.
And it's not just electrodes. Wires and fluxes also have their own classifications. Wires are classified based on their chemical composition, while fluxes are classified based on their ability to protect the weld from contamination and provide specific operational characteristics.
Wow, I had no idea there was so much complexity involved in selecting the right welding consumables.
You're right, it's a complex topic, but it's essential for ensuring the quality and safety of welded structures. That's why we have strict codes and standards that specify the appropriate consumable classifications for different applications.
I'll definitely pay closer attention to this from now on. Thanks for explaining the importance of welding consumable classification to me.
No problem. It's a crucial aspect of welding that shouldn't be overlooked. Proper selection and use of welding consumables can mean the difference between a strong, reliable weld and a potential failure.
Absolutely. Safety and quality should always come first, especially in our line of work.